Kevin O'Leary, you dirty dog. You guys, we have news coming out exactly why he was being so optimistic about people who fail in cryptocurrencies and why there's still a chance for them. Also, we're going to talk about what Coinbase has reported lately about their downturn in trading revenue and what that means for them as an exchange. If you guys are enjoying these videos, hit the like button, hit subscribe. Check out the CT Club down below if you guys want even more information on what we're doing with our cryptocurrencies and why. You can access our portfolio, trade alerts, market updates, all that good stuff. So guess how much money Kevin O'Leary was paid to be the spokesperson for FTX and ultimately, keep his little mouth shut about all the red flags he might have seen about FTX because he's such a good investor. He would have done his due diligence, right? Well, maybe getting paid $15 million to be the spokesperson of FTX was just enough for him to either turn a blind eye or just completely ignore all of his intuitions at all being an investor and just, saying yes to that money, that cool $15 million. So for anyone, again, who is questioning people's authenticity, morality in this space, they're getting paid a lot of money usually, especially if it's a celebrity, to talk about anything crypto. Next up, moving on to Coinbase, where they've pretty much reported that their profits made from the trading on their platform is basically cut in half since last year. So that's a huge cut, and that's them being honest about it. There's a lot of exchanges that don't want to voice this. Maybe Coinbase does because they are now a publicly traded company, and this is one of the benefits of that. But other platforms like Binance, for example, off the top of my head, they are classic for constantly wanting to show a front of strength rather than admit any weakness, especially during a bear market. If you're a cryptocurrency exchange in a bear market, we all know you're bleeding money. It's just a matter of how long can you last, because the money just isn't pouring in like it was. The trading volume isn't as high as it nearly was before. If you're not laying off people, if you're not constricting your operations, and yet you're still having these same promotions coming through and you're saying, oh, we're not losing money, you're lying. Now here's to say, I am not a fan of I'm not a fan of any centralized exchange, period. But what's happening with Coinbase and their USDC and USDT conversion promotion that they're making, something is smelling very fishy about that, and that's going to be the topic of tomorrow's video. If you guys want to tune in, I'm going to be talking more about Binance and BUSD, and I'm talking more about Coinbase and Circle and the digital dollar. Our CBDC is already among us. That's tomorrow's video. If you guys want to check that out, hit subscribe because we're posting videos every single day. I appreciate it if you hit like, and I'll see you tomorrow.